Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make such a program in Java in which the computer will tell whether a given number is odd or even. So first of all, let us run this program. It says enter the number to be identified as even or odd. So let us type in 3 and it shows odd. Let us run it again and let us type 2, it shows it is even. So we have to make such a program. Let us delete it, and now I am going to make such a program. First of all, we have to enter the name of the program or the class name. Now open the editor and erase all this. First type import java.util and then type in the class name. It is odd underscore even. Then there must be a second bracket and then type in public static void main. Then this is the opening of the main, and then close the main here and then close the class. Here we have to write the program. So first of all, we must write this line. This will help us to take inputs, any kind of inputs throughout the program while running the program. Now let us declare a variable of the integer data type. Let the variable be a and let us just initialize it. And now we have to print a message that will say enter the number. So for this we have to write here enter the number. Then we have to take the input. So it will be like this: a is equal to sc dot next int. We are writing next int as because this is a variable of the integer data type, which I have mentioned over here. Now if the number a is divisible by 2, then we have to understand that the number is even, and if it is not divisible, then we can understand that it is an odd number. So we have to write the program for that. So write it like this: we have to use the modulo operator over here. So a modulo 2, if a modulo 2 is equal to 0, if a modulo 2 is equal to 0, then the number would be even, number will be even. So here print, we have to print the message saying that number is even. But if it is not, then the number would be odd. So here write else and then print the message that the number is odd. Like this. So we have done making the program. Now let us try. Let us run the program. It is showing enter the number. Let us enter the number 5 and it shows that number is odd. Then again it is showing enter the number. Let us enter the number 2 or let us enter the number 96. It will show that the number is even. But friends, you might have noticed that the messages which are above this enter the number are still there on the screen. So we have to remove them first. So to do this, we have to use a Unicode to clear the screen. So for that, we must write this line. And so it is done. Now let us check it again, whether this program is running or not. Okay, now it's showing enter the number. Let us enter the number 9. It's showing it's odd. So the program is running. So that's all about today, and that's how you are going to make this program odd or even, whether the number is odd or even. This program can be made by several other ways. This is the most common way of making this program. Another way of making this program is to use the math function, that is math.ieee remainder. So that's it. Thank you friends.